Hello, in this session we're going to be showing you how to navigate around your map, so moving around between topics and zooming in and zooming out. Now the simplest way to do this on the Mac is by using the trackpad functionality that allows you to scroll and zoom simply by using two fingers. So you'll be familiar if you're a regular Mac user and you have this functionality enabled. If I place two fingers on my trackpad or my mouse, whatever you would like to call it, and move them up, you'll see up and down, you'll see I can move the map up and down equally. If I move them from side to side with two fingers on the trackpad, I can move my map from side to side. Now if you don't have this functionality enabled, you can enable it by going to your system preferences and to the trackpad settings, and you'll be able to enable all of this fun stuff there. If you don't have this enabled and you're not interested in it, you'll be able to use these scroll bars on the side to move up and down, and the same down here. In order to zoom in and out of your map, again you can use the trackpad and you can either pinch two fingers together or spread them apart. So here I'm placing two fingers on the trackpad and pinching them together, and it's zooming out of the map. And if I go the other way and spread my fingers apart, it zooms in. As an alternative, you could come down here and you'll see at the moment you have 118% is this little number here, and there's a drop down menu there which if you click on it, it'll give you lots more numerical values. So if I say 100%, it'll zoom out a little bit. If I say 200%, I'll zoom in, so you get the idea. Alternatively, I can say fit map, and it'll nicely center the map and give me room to see everything that's in it. Or I could say fit selection, which will basically zoom in on the part of the map that I currently have selected. Now at the moment that isn't anything, but if I open up Monday here, and you'll see at the moment Monday is highlighted, if I now say fit selection, it will zoom in on Monday. I can then zoom back out, take it to the middle of the map. If I were to then say the next one down here, which is auto, it'll basically go wherever I'm highlighting. So at the moment it's on Monday, but if I were to scroll across and hit weekly planner, it'll automatically zoom out to show me the whole map. Or I could hit to do, so I could click on to do over here, and it'll zoom in on to do and the associated subtopics. So in case you get confused and it keeps doing that and you don't know why, make sure you turn that off if you don't want it. So let's just say fit map, which will take us back to the center, and again it'll all be focused around what you're highlighting at the time. So if I click on the center here and say fit map, it should show us the whole map from that central point of view. If you wanted to say fit your map a little bit quicker, you'll also see you have the option, as detailed here, of using the keyboard shortcuts. So to fit your map, you simply press Command and 0. So if I do that now, Command 0, it fits the map. You'll also see you can do the same functionality we talked about earlier, so fitting to a specific selection, or auto fitting, where it follows you around the map by doing Shift Command 0 or Up Command 0.